guys, what's up? ஐயோ மறந்துட்டேன்.
I just wanna be the one you love.
What's up, Telecuties? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be about how to apply contour, blush and highlight. So today's video is going to be concentrated mostly in this space. So this is where you apply your highlight, your blush, your contour, so everything about this. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Nritya. I try and make YouTube videos and also I'm a makeup artist. So have I said everything? Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more contents like this, don't forget to mention in my comment section, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also there's a small tiny bell icon next to it, so don't forget to click that, so every time I post a new video you will be notified about it. So let's just get started with the video. So today's video is going to be about how I apply my blush, contour and highlight. So let me just get started with the contour. So let me just get started with the contour first. So as you can see, I'm done with my foundation, my concealing, my powdering and my eyeshadow, my liner, my lips, everything. So this video is going to be like super quick. I even thought of recording, me doing it faster, but I didn't mean anything. So I've just taken the darker shade which is in my palette, which is this color. This is in the shade NW43. So I'm gonna apply it here. So what contour does is that it creates a shadow, on your face, like it gives a very chiseled, a very sculpted look to your face. So it basically cut out the extra space. So if you are having a very big forehead like this, here you can contour it here. So if you're having a very small forehead, you can skip this, but usually people do the contouring here and here, and my nose contouring is another chapter. I will do it in the next week. So that you can either use a brush or a damp beauty blender to blend this. So as you can see, I'm using an angled brush, so it will help you do this. So we are just trying to move it not too much upward, but so the whole contouring, highlight, blush will take place in this area. So just make sure nothing goes beyond that. So I'm just giving a very nice, a very simple contour. So I'll do this side with the damp beauty blender so that you can see a difference. So if you're finding to place your contour, always you can do is like you can pout. So this is the place where you're supposed to place your contour. Never pull the contour or any product down. So when you're blending your makeup, never pull anything down. So just dab it there. So I'm using an angled brush. I like this brush to contour better than this. So next you can see, so now you can see a shadow here. So next I'm gonna use this powder contour. I'm just taking a bit of all the shades here. So as you can see, I'm not placing it and rubbing it, I'm just dabbing it here and there. So next is going to be your blush. So I'm going to use a mix of these two blush. This has a more of a peachy tone, and this has like a pink tone. So I'm just going to take a mix of both. I'm just going to take the excess product off. So what you have to do is to smile. So the ultimate goal is that when you smile, your blush should come out. Okay, that is the ultimate goal of blushing. So I'm just smiling and applying it towards my temple, this area. So just make sure that you don't take a lot of product. So that is why just take a mix of both. Take the excess product out. I don't mind extra blush, but if you're someone who's not very much into blush right now, you can always do this. So the ultimate goal is when you smile, this area, this apple of your cheek should be in a pink color. You would have seen a lot of people call this another rose powder. Yeah, but this is not a rose powder. So I didn't stop. I'm not concentrating only on the apple of my cheek. So I'm just trying to make it natural. So what I did was, so I just dabbed the product towards my temple. So when I applied it, so I'm just dragging it towards my temple, so that it gives you a more natural blush here. So next, my previous favorite step in Kodasolla. It's like two types of brush. One I use is this blending brush, the other is the fan brush. So today I'm just going to use this fan brush. So next step is, like, I think mostly everybody's favorite step is the highlight. So I've taken the product, see, but I'm not happy with the fan highlight. Fan brush. No, I'm just gonna go with my Chota blending brush. I'm just gonna take it. Always try to have a damp beauty blender next to you, even if like if you feel that you have taken a lot of excess product, you can always take your damp beauty blender and just take the excess product off. So I'm not squeezing or I'm not putting the product into my skin, I'm just dabbing it. See? So the highlight, your highlight should be placed where the sun hits your face. So mostly on your cheekbones, over the bridge of your nose, over your the lip cupids, on your chin, and over your foreheads. So next, so that is all. So just remember this, the place where you apply your highlight is the place where the sun hits and reflects back, and the contour is a place where the shadow falls down. So that is why it is like under your cheekbone. So it is under your cheekbone, under your jaw lines, and so that is all. I hope this video was helpful for you. A lot of people requested a video about this, so I have posted a video on this. I hope you will find this video like so helpful. And if you'd like to see more contents like this, don't forget to mention in my comment section, and also follow me on my other social media platforms, which I have put the links in my description down. And also, you know the drill, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will see you in the next video. I'm not promising which day, so I will see you in the next video. Bye.